The thing is, I can't handle people who have ADHD. I can't handle them like at all. Basically,
Interesting.
it's extraordinarily
One of
stressful.
you, I guess.
Dude, I don't have ADHD. Like I am like a normal person 90% of the time.
You're a normal person, I'm sure.
When I'm with you, I'm at my worst, bro. Okay, lock in. You see me playing Lethal Company, bro. You know I'm normal.
That's not true.
You don't even fucking watch me, bro.
I played Lethal Company with you though.
Yeah, that was like 2.5 years ago. What was that?
I just flew to
Go
extreme
and
from
die,
29.
die.
I just flew to
die,
the extreme from
die.
29. What?
I just called that you were gonna fluke it. I said
I
you
just
fluked
flew
it, by
to
the
the
way.
extreme from 29? What? What? Less than 100 attempts from 0.
I'm not